Today I am Antarjita Mitra. I am a student of Kendriya Vidyalaya Coach Bihar. I read in class 8 and today I will show you that in potato the current passes. For conducting this experiment I need 1/2 of the potato, one battery with this cover and wire. After that I need a electric LED bulb which I use with an insulator cap. You can use without this cap. After that I take one switch and 3 little cut piece of wire. So let's begin the experiment. For this conducting of activity, I take the help of social media website and then help of NCERT book. So now I will start my activity. So here at first I take the battery and you can see that it is fully closed with lid. After that I connect it with one switch and one switch of the terminal. You can see here it is disconnected. After using one wire, then I put it to the potato and insert it. After that use the other terminal of the battery cap, then I put it to the bulb terminal and another terminal with the in the potato, and after that I will now show you that it occurs or it not. So let's check why it is occurring or not. So you can see that it is just occurring. So I will let it to be work for half an hour. After that there is some reaction which will come in the potato. Let's see that it is occurring or not. So after some hours, sometimes it is, I say that in early video that I will take it half hour, but it takes more time. So you see that there are some things rounded which is here, which is engaged in the positive terminal of the battery. You can see because of light there is something you can't I will show, but it is I can see that. So if from this experiment I can learn that yes, in potato is a good conductor of electricity and it can passes and the electric current is very easily, and at least I want to see that it is still, the bulb is still glowing. If you see it, I trying to see it is, that is the bulb is still glowing, but the power of the bulb is very slow or is just too much low that sometimes you can't see that it is or it is glowing or not. But I can't see, I can seeing it that it is glowing. And so from this we have learned another things that in potato the electric causes a chemical changes, a chemical reaction occurred in the potato. So thank you for this experiment. Also see in the hole that it is something greenish which is in the hole, which is you can, and after that you can see that it is it occurs the chemical reaction.